Hey there, friends. Welcome to another video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a super easy way to schedule a message to be sent later. Imagine this, you want to wish someone a happy birthday at midnight or send an important reminder a few days later. No need to set alarms or reminders, you can schedule it effortlessly. Here's how to do it. 1. Open the chat of the person you want to message. 2. Type out your message in the input field, just like you normally would. 3. Once your message is ready, don't tap the send button. Instead, press and hold it. 4. A scheduling option will pop up, showing you a calendar and clock. 5. Now, choose the date and time when you'd like the message to be sent. 6. Once you're happy with the time, tap schedule or send later. And that's it. Your message is now scheduled and will be sent automatically at the exact time you selected. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple and awesome tutorials. See you in the next one.